Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to increase credit limit on American Express. Credit card limit is one of the important metrics for all the credit card users. To increase your credit card limit, you can first use your card responsibly. You need to make sure that you make timely payment and use your card frequently, demonstrating responsible card uses. Some card issuers may offer you a credit limit increase automatically if you show responsible behavior. If you don't receive an automatic increase, then you can consider asking your card issuer for one. You can usually request a credit limit increase online or by phone. They may ask information like income and why you want to increase. If this process doesn't work for you, then you can apply for a new credit card with a higher limit. To do that, open any web browser available. Then go to your search bar and type in www.americanexpress.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of American Express. Now here you can see cards option on the top. Click on cards on top. Then click on view all the credit cards option on the first. With that, now here you can select any credit card you want to use. Make sure you apply for the credit card with the higher limit than the existing one. To apply for the credit, you can click on the option of apply now. With that, you'll be able to apply for the credit card. This is how we can increase credit limit on American Express. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.